Hallo Leute, guten Morgen. Ich heiße Khushboo Lalwani und ihr seht Deutsche Freundschaft. My name is Khushboo Lalwani and you all are watching Deutsche Freundschaft. In this video lesson for the Learn German for Beginners, lesson number 6, we are going to learn the days of the week. That means Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. So the 7 days of the week. Today we are going to learn that in German language. So fangen wir an. Nummer 1. MONTAG. Montag. Heute ist Montag. That means today is Monday. DIENSTAG. That means Tuesday. DIENSTAG. And the pronunciation of IE is E. So DIENSTAG. MITTWOCH. Donnerstag. Freitag. EI की pronunciation I. So Freitag. Samstag. Und danach Sonntag. That means Chutti. So Sonntag. Sunday. I hope you get it all. So let's have a quick recap. Here. Montag, Dienstag, Mittwoch, Donnerstag, Freitag, Samstag und Sonntag. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel Deutsche Freundschaft and press that bell icon so that you can get all the latest updates on Monday and Friday at 12 p.m. Auf Wiedersehen, auf Wiederhören und ciao.